Oh, hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to connect HDMI cable with your PS3. First, you need HDMI cable, and then you need to plug it with your PS3. And then, if you guys have more than one HDMI cable, right, and like you just connect with your DVD or dish, right? So the anynet not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I mean, yep. And I have more than one HDMI cable, right? So just I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so after that, right, you guys need to turn on your PS3. And when you guys gonna turn on your PS3, it's gonna take you like that. This way. La 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 la. Wait. Like that. And then you need your PS3 controller. I forgot to. Okay, and then you're gonna press X. Then yes. After you guys done, right, you guys need to go to display setting. No way. Oh, sorry. You guys need to go to system settings. Then go to control for HDMI on. Okay. Then you guys need to leave your PS3 controller and then take your Samsung TV controller, I mean remote, and then you guys need to press menu, go down to set system, and then you guys need to turn on the network remote control on. Okay, and then go to anynet HDMI CEC on, and yes, that's all guys. And after you guys done that, you guys need to press tool HDMI. Mine's already connected, right? So they're gonna be like a, you guys gonna press that, and there's gonna be device list like that, and there's gonna be like that. You know, if your PS3 doesn't connect here, right, you guys need to press A. If it doesn't work, just leave one comment and I'll help you guys. Okay, after you guys do that, you guys gonna press, wait, I'm gonna disconnect mine before. Okay, disconnecting anynet, and then you guys need to press tool anynet like that, and then PS3, PlayStation 3. Or if you, oh god, if it doesn't connect, right, and you have two HDMI cables, it's gonna come like that. So you guys need to remove one of your second HDMI cable like that, and then try it again. I'm sure it's gonna work. Connecting. See, it works. It took me to find like 2 days. It was pretty hard. Okay. Okay, and then you guys can see I'm using my controllers there. Okay guys, if you guys have any other question, please leave one comment, and please subscribe and like my video. Thank you guys. And if you guys want to play GTA Online with me, add me on NavDeepKS. That's, and you guys can play GTA or any game, and you guys can play any game. in your TV controller. Thanks guys, have a nice day, and please subscribe and don't forget to like.